Welcome to Playownai. We'll connect Gemini n8n. How to connect Google Gemini AI to n8n, step by step for full integration guide. It's simple, smart and real-time. Goal: to teach viewers how to integrate Google Gemini Chat Model with n8n by creating a Google Cloud. Project: generating API credentials and connecting them inside n8n, so they can build and test their own AI-powered workflows. Subscribe and hit the bell. Stay informed. Launch n8n on cloud or local server. Click on Create Workflow button, right side of the screen. If you want to use existing workflow, click on the workflow name on the top left side of the screen. It will open the list of workflow. Select the workflow you want to use. Click on the plus icon or Add First Step. To add a new node, it will open a new window with all the nodes. Just type Gemini in the search box. Appear the Gemini node.as Google Gemini Chat Model. Click on it to add it to your workflow. Another drop-down will appear to select the model. After adding the credentials, select the model you want to use. In this case, I already have the credentials, so I will select the credentials from the drop-down. Here are two options. 1. If you have already added the credentials, click on the Credentials drop-down. Select the credentials you want to use. 2. If you have not added the credentials, click on the Credentials drop-down. It will open a new window to add the credentials. I have added a set node before the Gemini node to set the parameters. In your case, it will be blank only. Plus icon to create new credential. It will open a new window to add the credentials. Add the hostname of the API key credential. In the pop-up window, you can see. Need help filling out these fields? Open Docs. Just click on Open Docs, and it will take you to the documentation page. For more information on how to fill out the fields, you can also click on the question mark icon next to each field to get more information about what is required for that specific field. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We will click on Google Cloud account and try Vertex AI. Create a Google Cloud account and set up a new project, or use an existing one. Project name Gemini App n8n. On right side notification bell icon, you can see project created successfully. Click on the project name to select it. On the left side menu, click on the navigation menu icon and select AItools and services greater than credential. Left side menu, click on Credentials. Click on plus create credentials greater than OAuth client ID. Select Web Application. Plus create credentials greater than API key. API key created successfully. Copy the API key and paste it in the n8n API key field. Restrict key. Click on Restrict key. Under Application Restriction, select HTTP referrers. Websites. Add an item. n8n. Cloud. Add an item. n8n.io/*. Localhost. 5678. Under API Restriction, select Restrict key. Save. Now visit istudio.google.com. Click on Get Started. Select the project you created earlier as Gemini App n8n. Click on Create API Key in existing project, and paste the API key you copied earlier. Click on Created. Now you can see the API key created successfully. Copy the API key and back to n8n pop-up window. Paste it in the n8n API key field. Save. Boom. Green massage. Connection tested successfully. You are all set to use the Google Gemini API in n8n. Now you can close this window and back to n8n. Simply ask Gemini Chat Model on your n8n workflow chatbox or any other node. Like here I used on Project Capital Currency Advisor. We will get advice from our own AI. Using Google Gemini Chat Model. Support line. Get assist. Stuck anywhere, or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel @Playownai. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next AI automation guide. Your feedback helps me create the most useful content possible. So, what's on your mind? Tell me what you're struggling with in comments. I might just build a full tutorial on it for you. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with Playownai Playground.